Hi, I am Syed on Maths Online. Today we will be solving one problem based on the line integral. The question is evaluate integral 0 to 2 plus I z bar whole square into dz along the line x is equals to 2y. So we need to evaluate this integral along the line x is equals to 2y. So let me take this integral to be I 0 to 2 plus I z bar whole square into dz. So we need to evaluate this one. We know this z value to be equals to x plus iy. Now if I take z bar, it will be the conjugate of z. So the conjugate of z will be x minus of iy. But here you can see it is square. So we'll try to square this one. Squaring on both sides. So we get to be equals to x minus of iy whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus of b whole square. We'll try to expand this one. It is a square plus b square minus 2 times of a into b. Or this can be written in the form of x square. This is nothing but I square y square. But the value of I square is what? Minus 1. So we will be getting minus of y square. So it is minus of y square. And this is minus I will be as it is. We will be left out with 2xy. So we have got this particular value. And also we know the value of dz. Dz is what? Dz is nothing but dx plus I times of dy. So now I have to evaluate this particular integral along this line x is equals to 2y. So this line x is equals to 2y. So let us take along x is equals to 2y. So we have to evaluate along x is equals to 2y. So let us try to differentiate this one. So dx will be equals to 2 times of derivative of y will be dy. So you got dx to be equals to 2 times of dy. And if you try to observe over here, this integral, these are the variables for the limit for z will be 0 to 2 plus I. So let us try to express this in terms of the coordinates. So what is given to us? Given to us the value of z will be equals to 0 to how much? 0 to 2 plus I. So if you want to express this in the form of coordinates, so x comma y variable will be what? From here. So if it is 0, z is 0 means, can I write this as 0 plus I times of 0? So z is written in the form of x plus iy. So what is x value here? 0. What is y value over here? 0. So when I write x comma y, it will be 0 comma 0. So this is ranging from 0 comma 0 to. Similarly here you have another value. How much? 2 plus I. So this 2 will be your x value. So I into 1 it is. So your value of y will be 1. So it is 2 plus I. So you will be getting x comma y to be equals to. So therefore the range for x comma y will be from 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 1. Right? So which means that the value of x is ranging from 0 to 2 and the value of y is ranging from 0 to 1. Since I have already taken the value of x in terms of y, I will try to take the limit values for y. So here the range for y will be, right? So what will be y value ranging from? Y will be ranging from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So that is the range for y. So now if I just plug in this value of x is equals to 2y as well as the range for y is equals to 0 to 1 back in the given integral I. So we get the integral I to be equals to integral of, now the limit values for y will be 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then you have this expression, that is z bar whole square. So z bar whole square is over here, right? It is x square value. So what is x value here? X value is 2y. So it is 2y square minus of this y square as it is minus of. So this x value I am taking it as 2y whole square minus y square as it is minus I times of, it is 2 into x value. What is x value? X value is 2y into this y as it is, right? So this complete expression is written. Wherever x is there, I have just replaced the value of x as 2y, right? So we have got this z bar square into dz. What is the value of dz we have? Dz value is dx plus I times of dy. So let me write down. Dx value we have as 2 times of dy. Then dx is 2 times of dy plus I into this dy. I into dy. So we have just plugged in all the values. So let us try to simplify this expression. So this will be equals to integral of y is equals to 0 to 1. So if you square this, you will be getting 4y square minus of, this is y square minus of, it is I times of. If you multiply 2 times of 2 is 4, y times of y will be y square times of, here if you try to observe, can I take dy as common in these two? If I take dy as common, what will be left out here? 2 plus I will be left out over here. Or further, if you try to simplify this expression, you have integral y is equals to 0 to 1. 4y square minus y square is 3y square. This is minus of, this value is 4i, right? So it is 4i times of y square into this value 2 plus I times of how much? dy. So further let us try to simplify this one. Integral of y is equals to 0 to 1. So if you try to observe the value over here, y square I can take common. So if I take y square as common, what will be left out here? 3, and this is minus of 4i will be left out. Here this is 2 plus I will be as it is, times of what? Times of dy. However, this 3 minus 4i and 2 plus I is a constant, you can take outside, or you can multiply this one, 3 minus of 4i with 2 plus I. So just try to multiply this one, 3 minus 4i, multiply that with 2 plus I. So let me first multiply this 3 with 2 plus I. So 3 times of 2 will be, so 3 is multiplied by 2 plus I, and minus of 4i is multiplied by 2 plus I. So if you try to simplify this one, 3 times of 2 will be 6 plus 3 times of I minus 4 times of 2 is 8. So 8 times of I, minus into plus will be minus, 4 times of I into I will become I square. So this becomes 6 minus 8i plus 3i will be minus of 5i. I square will be minus 1, so minus of minus will become plus. So 6 plus 4 will be 10, 10 minus of 5i. So that product which is there, because it is a constant you can take outside, I can write it as 10 minus of 5i outside. You have integral y is equals to 0 to 1. So you are left out with y square into dy. This will be equals to, further you can see over here 5 you can take common outside from 10 and 5. So if I take 5 common, you are left out with 2 minus of I. Integrate y square, will be getting y cube by 3. So limit values for y will be equals to 0 to 1. Or further you simplify, you can take this constant 3 outside, it will be 5 by 3 times of 2 minus of I. Here you can apply the limit. Upper limit value for y will be 1, so 1 cube will be 1, minus lower limit value for y will be 0. So this value is just 1, so you will be getting 5 by 3 times of 2 minus of I. So that will be the value of the given integral. So that's the required solution. So that's all I have for today. Thank you.